All right, guys, I'm here at Woodstock, 1057 Parkinson Road in Woodstock at the Shield Canine Training Facility. Quick little thing, we are open by appointment only, so please give us a call at this number or visit shieldcanine.ca and you can book your private session or group class online. You can also book a free assessment as well. All assessments are free. Come visit us, meet the trainer, bring your dog, and we can talk about all the various training options and opportunities that we offer for you. So this is the foyer, very nice, bright room, okay? We've got the office back here. We've got some merch up already. So we got a nice bathroom, all new everything in here. I'm gonna take you guys into the back and you guys can see the heartbeat of this place, the training room, you know, completely temperature controlled indoor area. We've got the sport turf on the ground. So this is the type of turf that athletes, you know, if they're training inside, they use this type of stuff. It's got the rubber and the silica in it, so it's really easy on the dog's joints. I've trained at a lot of indoor facilities over the years, and it's always been really important for me that the dogs have a good footing to work on, something that's safe, something that's comfortable for them. So we've got a really nice indoor space here with a nice footing for the dogs. You know, it's gonna be great for private sessions, for group classes, off-leash training. You know, I'm gonna come here and probably do some training in the winter. Maybe I'll hold a workshop or two here just because it's super nice. The head trainer here is Seema. If you follow us on Instagram, if you follow us on YouTube, you know who Seema is. She is one of my best trainers, hands down, maybe the best trainer. She's been here for years. You know, she knows my system in and out, and she has proven time and time again that she is really, really good at maximizing the potential of each and every dog she trains. She knows how to make dogs' lives better. She knows how to make owners' lives better. Obedience training, behavior modification. She really has a touch for puppies, by the way. You guys want a really good puppy trainer? Seema is my go-to for that. So really happy with the new facility. We do have a full service grooming salon. I'll just quickly show you inside the room. Obviously we still have some junk in here, but we are gonna get this fully set up soon. So within a couple of months, we're gonna be offering full service grooming to those of you guys that have the floofy dogs. Turned out exactly the way that we wanted it to turn out. Shieldcanine.ca, you can book all your training online or call us. Bring your dog by for a free assessment. We are right next to a big dog food company here by the name of Rossum Dogs, okay? If you want the best training available in the province, look no further. Shieldcanine.ca, check us out. Check out our YouTube channel. If you're still not sure and you wanna know a little bit more about us, how we think, how we train, how we operate, the results, most importantly, you can see all our work on there. So I hope to see you guys soon.